Everything you need to get started with Chrome River can be found in the Featured section at the bottom of the Chrome River Help Desk. Select Getting Started to access all the Quick Start guides you need to get up and running quickly. Chrome River University offers a variety of training from subject matter experts on all areas of Chrome River. It's a great place to start learning everything Chrome River has to offer. Following news and release notes ensures you get email notifications whenever Chrome River adds new features. Likewise, upcoming changes will alert you to impending enhancements. System status shows you system uptime, current stats, and a detailed history of incidents. System maintenance alerts administrators to upcoming scheduled maintenance periods. At the top, the Topics tab gives you quick access to system maintenance, upcoming changes, news and release notes, and Chrome River University. The dashboard is an interactive visual history of all your Chrome River Help Desk cases. Cases lets you manage cases you've opened and see their status at a glance. Sort cases by any criteria across the top of the list. Select a case number to access further details. You can also download a report of open, pending, and solved cases. The powerful search integrates with our knowledge base to answer any other questions via detailed help guides.